Hi everyone, my name is Nabil Ahmed and our group is Group K of Tutorial 13 and I'm here with my team, Daniel, Chioma, Asad and Noman. We are here to present the EdgeTech company here. We are an analytical team to present the EdgeTech company. We will be presenting our main KPIs like profit, quality, sustainability, and the loss fund sales. And then we will recommend some measures for the CEO to take the measures and to increase the sales and increase the sustainability. So first of all, if you go to our model view, we have this data. We have basically three tables, like we have orders, we have returns, we have locations. So these all tables are connected with their primary key to the foreign key of the orders. Like if you go to this one, this will highlight the primary key of location here on the location table and the foreign key of location here in the orders table. Same as the other one. If you highlight that, the order ID here in the return table is primary key, and in orders, that order ID is our foreign key. So this is our table view. These are the tables of our all data, and going to the dashboard, our main view. Yeah. So first of all, our first KPI is profit. So here on the dashboard, we also have the AI ask a question. You can ask any question like what is the total order by customer name, what is the total order, what is total profit. You can like say if you order total profit, it will show the total profit of 3.373 million, sum of total profit. So our total profit is 3.73 million, as you see from there. And if you go to by total profit per ship mode, like we have three types of ships ship method in the EdgeTech company. First is regular air, and second is delivery by truck, and then the express air. Express air is the expensive method, but most of our profit is coming from regular air because most of the customers select the regular air method, uh, except other methods like express air or delivery by truck. So this is the customer segment, profit by customer segment. Most profit by the 37% is from corporate customers. Our corporate customer are the highest, our profitable customers. So after that, there are home office, which uses our tax for the home office, and then consumers, and then the small business. So the profit per product category. So our most profitable category in the company is phones and tablets, and then it's TV and audios, then computing, gamings, and then home and outdoors. So these are our slicers. You can select it by location. You can choose location, like if you choose Birmingham, this will show the profit of Birmingham and profit by this is the location of the Birmingham. And if you hover on it, then it will show the sum of profit that is showing here in this location. So in Birmingham, total profit by ship method is this one, and by delivery is this one, by delivery of the trucks, and by express air is this profit. Same as one, if you remove the Birmingham, you can select, you can see the profit by year. So most of the profit, when you select the year 2018, we have the total profit of 3.42. If you select 2019, 2019 is 1.1 million. And same as 2020, our most profitable year for this company was the 2019, which is 1.1 million. All other are not that much profitable. And for the managers, you can also select by the managers, like if you select author, author is total profit of author throughout the years is 13.93K. And most of order, he's working in the location of Kent area and County Kent. And the total profit per ship mode by author from air is 7,073.11, and by delivery by trucks is 6,797. And Most of the product category which author uses is gaming product categories. Now I will move this one, and my next colleague will present the next slide. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm going to talk about the quality. And moving on to the quality, from what my colleague has explained about the profits, we could find out that most of our some of our items were refunded, maybe due to the lack of quality in all these. And if you check the main reason for the refunds, we are basically the wrong color. And here you can see that there was almost 254 items refunded, and this is more than half of total items refunded, which is alarming. And you could see that some of them were also defective and refunded for that reason. You could look at it, you could see the percentage of the replacement, the percentage of items we have resold, and then we had to like refurbish some of them and then send back. So basically, you can also look at this. You could go through the location like this, and if you click on Bristol, you could realize that okay, Bristol had a particular. If you click on Bristol and then click on total amounts refunded from Bristol, you see their percentage of replacement as well, which is almost like 41.8% high. Uh, okay, if you also want to know the year wherein we had like a very high amount of refunds. If you go towards this place, you see in 2018 the order of replacement was almost like just 100%. And if you click on 2019, you could notice that okay, it was just about 170, and it reduced also in 2020, increased. It reduced also in 2021, and in 2022 we had 161. So the year we had like the most order of return was in 2019 as well. We are, like my colleague said, we had high profit as well. So we could look at the percentage of goods we sold, and here it is like if you click on the items we sold, this place is showing number of items we sold and the number of items that are resold that did not go back for reselling, and this one shows the amount of items that have been resold. So 272 items were resold, and about this amount of it was not resold. If you go to our place, you'll see the percentage of refurbishment. So we had like a very low rate of refurbishing, and it was like we this is something that EdTech needs to work on. You could see you could see also for because the amounts of items sent back for wrong products were just 49. So this is something that okay that I can actually work on and then reduce the rate for this. Also, for other reasons, you're just 17. So I'll be calling on my next colleague to talk about the sustainability here. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. This is Choma. So here I'll be talking about the sustainability part of the EdgeTech company. I'm going to be starting with Hertfordshire. So if you check on Hertfordshire, I believe we all can see the red zone, which is around Luton and close to Harlow. And the waste generated in this area is quite high, which also indicates that the sustainability of the packaging solution in this area is very low. And if you go on the location use of green energy here, the percentage of it, you can see from this dashboard here that it has 27, which is 81.82% of low sustainability. Now I'm going to move over because of time. I can't go through all the locations, so I'm just going to pick one or two places to talk about. Now here we can go to Leicestershire. The same thing, just as the Hertfordshire location, the sustainability the packaging of the waste products from the generated waste products here in Leicester City is very low, hence why we have the red zone in this area. Now, if we go by year, from the slicer, I just don't want to talk about the locations because they are all well pronounced here on the dashboard. Then, if you go by year, in the year 2018 in Leicester, you can see the what the location is talking about on the waste generated or the use of waste generated. In 2019, it's also very high. I'll move over to 2022 in Leicestershire. So everything is still very high when it comes to the red zone. Then I'll go down to Cambridgeshire, or should I say maybe talk about Yorkshire, but yeah, Cambridgeshire is fine. So in if you look at the Petersborough in Cambridge, you can see that the waste products generation, recycling waste product generation there is very low. So I'm going to move over to sales. I'll let my colleague Assad take over that, and hopefully by the end of our presentation, you will get to understand where we're headed. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Asad Bilal, and the KPI which we have selected and analyzed, that is sales. So, as we know, the sales is a very critical element in the business. So the total sales, yes. First, we have to Yes, these total sales are 14.92 millions, and most of the sales, as we can see, that comes from the corporate customers, which is 5.3 million. And next, the sales come from the home office, which is 3.6. And at the third number, the sales come from small businesses, which is 2.9 million. And the small portion of the sales comes from the consumers, which is 2.9 million. So here we also added a question and answer chart to make our dashboard more interactive. Then we have to, here we can see the sales per ship mode. The regular air is the method which is selected by most of the customers. So the total sales which is generated from this method is 7.5 million. And at the middle, we can see the sales generated from the delivery truck, that is 6.2 million. And at last, which is really an expensive method, which is express air, and the total sales generated from this method is 1.1 million. Then we have the sales per product category, and phones and tablets. These are the most sold by the EdgeTech, and at last, the minimum volume, we have the home and outdoor. So further, we have added some slicers at the left-hand side, so which makes our dashboard more interactive. Suppose we select the Birmingham. As we can see, the total sales generated in the Birmingham is 39.4K. So now I would like my colleague, Mr. Nohman, and he will present the recommendations. Thank you.
Hi, this is Meena Montaj. I am here to present my recommendations. An innovative solution for edge technology could involve adjust product prices based on their environment impact by using data on sustainable practice and sales performance. Edge technology could offer discounts on eco-friendly products to encourage more environmentally conscious purchasing behavior. This strategy aligns with their sustainability goals and can also attract the customers while boosting sales. Based on our analysis, EdTech could benefit from focusing on several key areas: data gathering and analysis, quality control improving, and product strategy. Now, I would like to call Mr. Nabil to finish this. project.
Hi everyone. So based on our analysis of EdgeTech company, data of the company, I would suggest some key areas where they need some work to increase their sales and sustainability, everything else. Yeah. So first of all, the data gathering analysis. Invest more in gathering data on the time able to create predictive models to practice. As we see, we have the data from 2022, the last year. Yeah? We don't have the current data of the like 2023, 2023 and 2024. So for sustainability practices, I would suggest like we would suggest right uh, addresses like Cornwall and Kent, where plastic packaging, especially in Kent, plastic packaging is not available, and in Cornwall, recyclings are issued not available. And these are issues by exploring alternative packaging. These can be solved by exploring alternative packaging to the plastic packaging and to increase the recycling process in the other areas. So quality control, to improve the quality control, we need quality measures to reduce the number of defective products. Consider discontinuing products with high return and like Neville. Product strategies enhance and add new features to best-selling products like Lexibook and Honors and Samsung Galaxy while investigating the reason for low-selling products and potentially discontinuing them. Salesforce. So capitalize on high sales and regions like Northampton and through targeting marketing efforts. Thank you, everyone. That will be all.